Mute your mic, beta. Someone's mic is still on, and every time I have to say the same thing. Who is this? Hadi? Hadi, please
Hello,
mute your
sir.
mic.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, I will not answer you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
After few minutes. Okay. Here, boys, you can see there we have the first chapter on the screen. My first roller coaster. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Only one boy is there, all the other are
Yes,
girls.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, boys, give the heading chapter 1, my first roller coaster, and below that you have to give the heading hard words.
Sir.
Hard words. Now don't speak anything. Now please don't speak anything, just do as I say in your rough book. Today I am going to read and I myself will give you the hard word. I will highlight the word, you have to write it down in the rough book.
Excuse me, sir.
What
Excuse me,
happened
sir.
now?
सर हमको रफ बुक लेने की है
Yes, Shafiq, tell me, beta.
और फेयर बुक भी लेने की है. हेलो. Sir, with pencil only now we have to write.
I already instructed these all things in the beginning. Why all of you are repeating the same things? In the beginning, I said rough book and pencil. Again and again, the same questions: which book and what we have to do. Don't act like nursery students. Now, who is this turning on the mic? You don't understand any languages? Repeat it 4 times. Take out rough book, take out rough book. Still you are asking me which book. If you ask me the doubts 10 times, that's okay. But asking me the silly question. Okay, Nakvi, tell me what is the meaning of roller coaster? Okay, Nakvi is absent. Then next
Sir, I
name
am here.
Ayaz Bid Ayaz Bidda. Ayaz Bidda. Ayaz too is absent. Okay. Next name Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the meaning of roller coaster?
Yes. Sir, roller
Roller.
coaster is a ride roller coaster is a ride in that tracks in that we have to sit and tracks was zigzag and it's so fast running. It's a ride in
Okay,
amusement park.
okay. So in the big parks, in the Disneylands or in the fair, we can see roller coaster ride. Like train on the track, it goes up and down, and it's very scary. This ride is very scary. It is the biggest ride there in the Disneyland. So the story is small girl for the first time will sit in the ride, and she has the height phobia. Phobia means the thing for which we are afraid of. I also have the height phobia. I also have the river phobia, water phobia. I cannot see big river at night. So how many of you have the phobia? One by one. You people don't have any phobia? किसी चीज से डर नहीं लगता?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are scared with.
Sir, with dark and the bark.
Dark phobia. Okay, dark night phobia. Okay.
Sir,
I have
with
height and water phobia.
sir, sir, no dog.
Dog phobia. Okay.
Yes.
Sir, head also. Dog phobia.
Okay.
Sir, I also dog phobia. Rehan.
I am afraid of height. If I go to 10th floor, I cannot look down.
I
So similarly, like me, here one small girl, she also had the height phobia. She cannot go to the height. She is very much afraid. So let us see. First, we are writing the hard words. So I will just read, and you have to write the hard words. Just write the words which I say. The narrator here recounts a personal experience of riding a roller coaster she was scared of trying. Find out what valuable lesson she learned that day. Write the two words narrator, experience. Narrator, experience. Don't say yes, sir, done. Don't say anything.
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
It's good to step out of your comfort zone when whether it's trying
Yes,
something
sir.
new or making friends. My experience was riding a ride that seemed big to 11-year-old me. California Screaming in Disneyland was my first upside down roller coaster.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर ये हार्ड वर्ड से इंग्लिश के लेसन नंबर 1 के
Uh, Sorry, I don't know Hindi, beta. So
सर
California Screaming is wait.
सर ये हार्ड वर्ड
California
इंग्लिश
Screaming,
में
boys. California Screaming. This is only one word. California Screaming is only one word. These are not separate. See here, California Screaming. This is only one word. Joint word. Then Disneyland is other word. So number one narrator, number two experience, number three California Screaming, number four Disneyland. Write these four hard words quickly.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to send this to you.
Means Yes, yes, yes. After writing.
Yes.
Okay. Boys, why am I reading this? So that tomorrow, when I start the explanation, you have to read it properly. So right now, you have to pay attention which word is read in which way. How is it pronounced? Disneyland is always a fun place. They have small rides for the kids and big rides for adults who are kids at heart. There are many rides that look threateningly big through the kids' eyes, and California Screaming looked terrifying to me. Okay, right, threateningly and terrifying, hard words. It is already highlighted, but still I am reading it for you so that you will be able to read tomorrow when I ask you to read.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, threateningly is the word now.
threateningly.
Threateningly. Okay.
As I passed the ride, I could hear screams and the swooshing noises of the coaster car cutting through the wind. The passengers reached the top of the hill, stopped, then sped down, waiting to be caught by the tracks. I winced as the coaster raced down the hill. Yikes! Drops really scared me. But the only thing worse was going upside down. Could you fall out? The structure of the ride just went up and up and up into the sky. Heights were not my thing. I started walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California screaming. I could see the boardwalk in the view. Almost there. Maybe we would play some games. I just had to pass this ride and I was there. When I had almost passed the long line of the people waiting, I noticed the sunburned waiting riders. They looked impatient as they. Hello?
কি? হোমওয়ার্কটা পাঠাতে হবে লিখে কেন ও ভাই চলে
Who is this? Whose mic is on?
Rayan Sheikh.
Ma'am, please remove those whose mic is on. Please remove them. Directly remove them. And never add in the English lecture. Right? Absent for 30
Sir.
days.
Sir, can you see the lesson name?
Can you show? Yes, I can show. My first pleasure ride. Oh, not pleasure ride. Roller coaster. Zap. Sorry.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Okay, I hope you understood.
What, sir?
Um, I hope you understood.
Yes, I understood.
That's really smart of you. Okay. They looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. I showed, sorry, I slowed to the walk as I examined the people around me. This was just slow enough for a familiar sweaty hand to grab me by my shoulders. Okay, sunburned, here is the word. Once you finish this page, boys, Say yes, sir, and mute your mic so that I'll come to know that you have finished all these words.
Yes, sir. The साढ़े
Yes,
मोहम्मद
sir.
शेख.
Nakwi lagi Hasan.
Yes, sir. घबरा नहीं रहे हैं.
Yes, sir. Sama Muhammad Yes, sir. Pariyani Shafiq. Yes, sir. Pariyani Muhammad Shafiq. Yes, sir. Pariyani Muhammad Shafiq.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
three
Sama
Shafiq in the group.
Muhammad Sheikh. Yes, sir. Hasan Gabbasi. Work is done. Yes, sir. Pariyani Shafiq. Work is done.
There are 4 Shafiq in the group.
Yes, sir.
Huh? There are 4 Shafiq in the group. Already 3 times you said. Fourth time you said.
Yes, sir. Shafiq.
5th time.
Yes, sir.
If you will become naughty, I know how to become strict.
No, sir. I am also one Shafiq.
Thank you. Mute your mic. Hey, my mom said, why don't we ride this? She points up to the roller coaster that I had been fearing. No thanks, I quickly replied. I tried to hurry on, but no luck. Oh, come on, you'll love it, my mom enthused. Yeah, go with mom, I'll take your hat, my dad offered. I silently handed him my hat and peered up at the ride. It couldn't be that bad, right? That looks calm. I thought I can probably ride this. Okay, fine, let's go, I said. The end of my words starting to pick up excitement. So, enthused, peered, excitement. Write down this.
Dan Pariyani Shafiq.
Boys, you have to even observe the way I read.
Yes, sir.
And tomorrow, the one who will read properly, he will get some prize from me. Some exciting prizes which I can give you online. Just imagine. The first winner will get a video call from Rohan sir. Second winner will get a short call. And the third winner will be able to chat with me in the WhatsApp for 5 minutes at their decided time. Okay. This is just for the reading. There is no hard word so far. Let me see the time. It's 10:40. Still, we have the time. Um, my mom and I headed towards the ride, leaving my dad and the brother behind. I was actually half excited to go on this ride, despite my nervousness before. The next word here is nervousness. Um, okay. The line moved quickly, and we were soon halfway through. I was wondering why the ride looked better when I looked up at it the second time rather than the first time. Then it hit me. I had forgotten about the loop and drop. The sun had been beating down on my face and blinding me without my hat. I totally overlooked the worst parts. However, there was no turning back now. We were almost to the coastal cars. I became more nervous as time went by. Would this ruin big rides for me? Ruin is the next word. I didn't know the answer, but it was too late to think. We were getting on. I was too scared to sit in the front or the back. So we settled in the second division. When we got on the ride, the seat belt bars came down and my regret settled in. I was stuck. The coaster slowly inched out of the covered boarding area and into the lawn. The sun blinded me as the ride inched outside. Then the car stopped and the heat soaked into the riders as we waited to blast off. After a few seconds that seemed like minutes, a voice talked about safety and then came down to the countdown moments later. 5. I clenched my sweaty hands and had the nervous smile on my face. Clenched is another word. Clenched.
Sir, you send the PDF of AdWords?
Hardwords, no, because the lecture will be is recorded. It will be sent in the YouTube, beta. Why? What happened?
No, not WhatsApp.
I can hear Agassi. I cannot hear you.
What, sir?
I could hear Agassi. I cannot hear you.
Sir, 1 minute.
Arre baap. Arhan.
Sir,
Yes, sir, what you are saying? Put it. Yes, sir.
I am not saying footage.
Yes, sir.
You
You.
want mobile phone?
No, sir.
Oh God. Will he talk to me? I will convince him to sit properly.
Yes, sir.
Give him.
Okay.
sir, we have
Sir,
to
not
send to
not
you.
talking.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Open the door if he wants.
No, it is too much,
Okay, I understand. I understand.
too much heavy.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes.
Okay, please mute the mic.
Sir,
Mane.
Yes, beta. One by one. What happened? Two people
sir,
are
we
calling
have
me. Yes,
to
beta.
send to you. Sir, we have
Yes.
to send to you.
Yes, I already said yes. Why the same questions are coming? 4. I am glad my dad took my hat or it would have fallen off. 3. Why did I go on this? 2. My mom tilted her head towards me, smiling. Ready? She asked. 1. I nodded slightly and the ride began. The next word is nodded. The car shot forward at unimaginable speeds. I was screaming. However, I was screaming with thrill rather than fright. We boosted up a hill, not the biggest one, but still pretty tall. I couldn't even tell if we were going up or down. So, by the time we were over this hill, I was ready for the big one. First of all, I will ask you to write down unimaginable.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, what happened?
Sir, total head words.
You will get to know once I finish the lesson, obviously. The ride continued over a few more bumps and then approached the big hill. The coaster slowed and snapped into the place on the inclining tracks. We started going up, click, 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 slowly but surely. I tilted my head, resting it to the side, and took in an amazing view. I could see across the whole park. We were so high, I didn't dare look down. Click, click, click. It would take a while to get to the top. Fun, my mom asked me while half screaming. Oh, yeah, I shouted back equally loud. Click, click, clunk. We were at the top. I peeked over the front of the coaster as the people sitting up front started screeching. Okay, here the both these highlighted words already are highlighted. Peaked and screeching. I could see the big drop coming. I was excited. I soon joined the screeching riders as our division on the car fell over the hill. Wind raced through my hair and cooled my face. So far, this was fun. I barely had time to recuperate from the drop before we started towards the loop. Here it comes. I hoped I was ready. The car accelerated. Okay, accelerated. The car accelerated through the loop. My face was pulled or less for less than a second and we were through. What? That was it. I was happily surprised and screamed at the top of my lungs throughout the rest of the ride. The following thrills were just bumps and sharp turns, not as terrifying but still super fun. After we go off, California screaming. I couldn't stop talking. That was amazing. We immediately got fast passes to ride again later. My mom was right. That was so much fun. I am so glad I stepped out of my comfort zone. I almost didn't go on this amazing ride. My mom knew I would love it, and boy, was she right. Later the same year, in the summer, my cousin and I went with our grandparents down to Disneyland. When we arrived there, I really wanted to go on California Screaming. However, my cousin had never been on anything like it, pulling her in the position I was in before. I convinced her to go, and we even rode together in the front car. I am so happy. I got to take my cousin on this ride. Riding California Screaming helped me build up to even bigger rides that are my favorites today. I was Um, even willing to go 4 times on expedition Everest that goes backwards at one point. Stepping out of your comfort zone is really great thing to do. It helps you grow in understanding and makes you braver, even if it's something as simple as a roller coaster. Expedition is the next hard word, the last one. Once you finish this, say yes sir and your name.
Yes, sir. That's what I will not say.
Yes, sir, very there.
Isa Biryani Shafiq.
Yes,
19, yes sir, Nakuyagi Hassan.
yes,
Yes
sir,
sir,
Sama
Hassan
Muhammad
Ghazi
Zaid.
Hafiz Dam.
Yes, sir, Nayani Muhammad Raza.
I hope children you heard how I was reading.
Yes, we heard.
Sir, 20 adverts.
I didn't ask you for the number.
What sir?
And all of and special thanks to